On May 1st, Las Vegas police officers were dispatched to investigate reports of two unidentified entities falling from the sky. The incident occurred on the same night a family reported something not human in their own backyard. Here's the police body cam from the homeowner.
There's like an 8-foot person beside it, and another one's inside, and it has big eyes and looking at us, and it's still there.
Okay, where is this on your property?
In my backyard. I swear to God, this is not a joke. This is actually, we're terrified of it.
So there's two people or two subjects that are in your backyard?
Correct, and they're very large. They're like 8 foot, 9 feet, 10 foot. I don't know. They look like aliens to us. Big eyes. They have big eyes, like I can't explain it, and big mouth.
Hey, this might sound like a really dumb question, but did you guys see anything fall out of the sky? Yeah. We got a call, and one of my partners actually said that they saw it too.
I have been looking for footage of the aliens, but so far have not been able to find any evidence. However, this object captured from a body cam falling from the sky is very interesting. This Las Vegas sighting joins a growing number of reports from across the country, with the U.S. government acknowledging over 510 reports of unidentified aerial phenomena between 2004 and 2022. In fact, since 2021 alone, hundreds of these unidentified aerial phenomena have been reported, capturing the curiosity of the public and the attention of the authorities. Now, we want to hear from you. What do you think about these sightings? Do you believe there is something more to these reports, or do you think there's a rational explanation? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching The Curious Collective.